everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Rainer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we have new music! Finally! I got off my ass and did it this morning. So, what do we have today? Well, I found this at a local grocery store. A domestic one, not an Asian grocery. And it's by JML. And it's basically their like domestic looking versions, kind of mostly of their standards. And yeah, so kind of cool. It was still in the ethnic section, but it was definitely looked like the least ethnic in the ethnic section. So, my thoughts on it is the ethnic section should be the entire store. That's why I like going to Asian groceries. You know, they're more fun. There's like, hey, what's that? I can't read it. I want to try it. You know, but I guess most people don't feel the same way. Else, all we would have would be Asian grocery stores here in the U.S. So, what can you do? So we're already got our sachets all added. Got a little bit on my thumb, I think. I don't know. Did you see that? Oh, it's smelling on my finger. Ew, yeah, it's oily. Okay, here we go. About there. And we got 3 minutes on the timer. Yeah, so this morning I woke up really early, got going on stuff right quick, and looks like we're good to go. If you're wondering what I do first thing in the morning on a day that I'm doing 3 reviews, like today, I actually start working on stuff the night before, to be honest. It's like, get everything all set up in here, pull out like the big old pot and the little egglet things, and just have everything all set up so I don't have to like go, oh, I have to pull this out and this out and this out. It's all set up, so I just like prep the chicken, boil the water, drop the eggs in, bake the chicken. So the chicken was done baking at I think like 6:15 this morning. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I get up early and I like do all this prep work. Aside from taking pictures and stuff. And like I said, I don't know if it was on yesterday's video or the one the day before, but I only took pictures and did the little cups for one of the reviews. And I was just trying to kind of gauge how much time I saved by doing that. And I saved a lot. I saved enough time to get the music changed. So that's a plus. Did that. Got the post done up. Did a little bit of housework on the site. Some on YouTube. It's nice to be able to actually do reviews and do the other stuff at the same time. Like if I had a video that needed editing, I would have been set. And actually, was it last weekend? This weekend? I can't remember. But I don't know what time of day it is for you, but you can go to the top 10 lists and you can go see the Japan list. That one's dropping on Monday. Today it's Friday the 19th. What do you think of this? So I've got like funk, acid jazz, punk rock, and video game music. Like 8-bit stuff. And some Middle Eastern. Thought I'd mix it up. So, some new things, and with 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there we go. So here is our cup noodles. Rather, it's funny because I believe cup noodle is a registered trademark of Nissan Foods Global enormous company. And these are just called cup noodles, I guess. These are chicken mushroom flavor. On this one, the noodles hydrated pretty good. They're a little spongy for my taste. Broth is on the thinner. It has some oiliness to it. God, you can't get away from that mushroom taste though. Ugh. That's the kind of mushroom taste I dislike. Dump this in the pot for the holy transference power. Good old Rotato here up and running. Hey Rotato, how you doing today? It's like I need to record somebody being the voice of Rotato. Or I could just record myself being the voice of Rotato. There we go. So we got yeah, that needs some gussying up. The bowl's nice. But it's just like such a boring looking, lackluster noodle, you know? It just doesn't show the love that we require and deserve. An egg. Time for a little surgery. Come on, egg, do your thing. Oh, come on, really? These eggs were cross-content audience focused for you. Come on, stay cool. Do your thing. Be nice. I guess that's the best we're gonna get. And I made some chicken just for this. It's like that was really nice of me because this isn't like the most wonderful looking bowl of noodles in the universe, but hey. Which blows because I really like JML stuff. I like freaking love it. But you know, this isn't like one of their ultra high-end ones. Now we'll lay on a little bit more of this doodadification. Where'd it go? Okay, whatever. Did the other egg while I wasn't looking? Oh no, it's right there. Okay. It's kind of like trying to hide, and I don't want it hidden. These eggs are I made 2 eggs today, and these came out just about as good as I can get. And they took what? I think I went and yelled at Alexa, and I said, set a timer for 8 minutes, 27 seconds. And as soon as it went off, I ran over and got down to business. So, what are we gonna add? We're gonna do regular, light-colored, non-blackened sesame seed. And I think I want to go with some of this Sensio. It's a Japanese, it's like black pepper. I don't know if it's like Japanese black pepper or anything special. I think it might just be black pepper, but it's nice. Some sprinkled on the chicken. I used my, what did I use? I used some curry powder. I used some, what do you call it? Garlic powder. And I used some NewTek Salt for Life on the chicken, which was baked at 375 for 40 minutes. And then we decided to have some fun with good old Rotato. And here we go. Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.